Tired of fumbling with charging cables in the dark or dealing with frayed wires? Imagine a charging solution that snaps effortlessly into place, charges your phone quickly, and even protects your device from dust and damage. The Gen 3 magnetic charging cable promises exactly that: fast, reliable charging for both iPhone and Android devices, without the hassle. I started using this magnetic charger a few weeks ago, and it's changed how I power up my phone. The magnetic connector aligns itself automatically, so I don't have to struggle plugging it in, especially when I'm driving or in low light. It supports USB 2.0 fast charging and data transfer at 480 megabits per second, which means I'm saving time and energy every day. Plus, it's compatible with iPhones using Lightning ports and most Android devices with micro USB, making it a versatile choice. The magnetic tip doubles as an anti-dust plug, so it keeps your charging port clean when not in use, something I didn't even realize I needed until now. What makes this charger stand out is the ease of one-handed operation. Whether you're a driver, have limited vision, or just want a simpler way to charge, this cable fits the bill. It supports QC2.0 fast charging, so your phone powers up quickly without overheating. Just bring the cable close to your phone, and the magnets do the rest. No more repeated plugging and unplugging that wears out your port. A quick tip: always disconnect by folding the cable instead of pulling it out to keep everything in good shape. If you're looking for a dependable, fast charging cable that protects your device and simplifies your routine, this magnetic charger is worth a look. Try it when you're ready.